Hi, my name's Billy. I'm 15 years old. I've been playing for around 2 years now, playing in multiple bands, little projects, nothing too popular. Right now I'm using the normal Collision 5A sticks. I really like these sticks, they feel very nice, very smooth, you know, very they don't feel cheap at all, they just feel really nice to play overall. Right now I'm just going to play some crossover fills that I've been working on in a normal beat groove kind of thing.